Namaste. This is the first part of a video series which I'll be making about the different pronouns in Hindi. So in this video, we'll be seeing the singular first person and the plural first person and what will be its conjugation with respect to the to be verb hona. So if you're new here to this channel, I'm Hemalini and I make videos about Hindi grammar, Hindi vocabulary and Hindi learning in general. So if you're interested, like the video and subscribe to the channel. So in Hindi, I is मैं and I am is मैं हूँ. So if I want to say I am Hema, I would say मैं Hema हूँ. Interestingly, in English, the sentence order is first comes the subject, then comes the verb, and then in the end comes the object. That's why we say, I am Hema. I is the subject, am is the verb, and Hema is the object. But in Hindi, it is, I am Hema will be translated as, मैं Hema हूँ. So you notice that Hema being the object, it comes in the middle, and am, which is whom, comes towards the end. So the Hindi sentence order is subject plus object, and towards the end comes the verb. So, मैं Hema हूँ. If I want to say, I am a teacher, I would say, मैं अध्यापिका हूँ. Adhyapika is a female teacher. So, मैं अध्यापिका हूँ. So, if you translate into English, literally, it would be like, I, teacher, am. But we don't do that. We say, I am a teacher. So, if I want to say, I am an Indian, मैं भारतीय हूँ. Another word for Indian is Hindustani. So, मैं भारतीय हूँ और मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. So, another sentence is मैं भारत में हूँ. भारत में. So, भारतीय, I said it's Indian, but Bharat is India. So, Bharat में means in India. So, in English, we say in India. The preposition comes before the noun. But in Hindi, the in follows the noun. So that's why you say Bharat mein. So in is mein. So मैं भारत में हूँ. I am in India. So let's see the negative version of all these sentences. How to negate these sentences. If I want to say I'm not Hema. So in English we say I'm not. The not comes in the beginning. So but in Hindi I say मैं Hema नहीं हूँ. So the nahi is not, and it always comes before the verb, not in the beginning of the sentence. So, मैं हेमा नहीं हूँ. If I want to say I'm not an Indian, मैं भारतीय नहीं हूँ. If I want to say I'm not a teacher, मैं अध्यापिका नहीं हूँ. If I want to say I'm not in India, मैं भारत में नहीं हूँ. So let's move on to the plural pronoun. So the मैं is the singular pronoun. So now we see the plural pronoun, plural first person. Okay. So the plural first person in English is we, which is we are. The conjugation is we are. And in Hindi, the equivalent is हम हैं. So we is हम and are is हैं. So the हैं should be nasalized. H-A-I-N, it would be transcribed as H-A-I-N, but you shouldn't be saying han. That is wrong. You have to say han through the nose. It's a nasalized word. So if I want to say we are friends, hum dost hain. If I want to say we are Indians, hum bharatiya hain. If I want to say we are students, hum vidyarthi hain. If I want to say we are in India, हम भारत में हैं. The same way, just like we did the first person in a negative sentence, we'll try the same thing with a hum. So if I want to say we are not neighbors, I would say हम पड़ोसी नहीं हैं. So neighbors is पड़ोसी. So हम पड़ोसी नहीं हैं. So I'm saying the nahi before the verb. So if I want to say we are not Japanese. So Japanese in Hindi is Japani. So I would say, हम जापानी नहीं हैं. If I want to say, we are not in India, हम भारत में नहीं हैं. If I want to say, we are not students, we are teachers, then I will say, हम विद्यार्थी नहीं हैं, हम अध्यापक हैं. So we learned from this video that the first person singular pronoun is मैं, and whenever you start a sentence with मैं, it ends with whom. The same way, the first person plural pronoun is हम, which is we, and the conjugation for हम is हैं, which means we are.